Good morning, everyone. It is with great joy and pride that I welcome you all to this press conference for our official candidates in the 80th founding anniversary pageant of Baguio Central University. 80 years is not just a milestone. It is a testament of our enduring commitment to excellence, transformation, and community. This year's celebration is extra special because it honors not only our university's legacy, but also the vibrant spirit of our students who continue to carry the torch of BCU's ideals, knowledge, character, and service. Our pageant is more than a showcase of beauty and talent. It is a celebration of advocacy, intellect, and purpose. Each of our candidates represents the diverse brilliance of Baguio Central University, young men and women who embody confidence, compassion, and commitment to make a difference. As you meet them today, I hope you see beyond their poise and presence and recognize the leadership and integrity that define a true Centralians. To our candidates, remember that wearing the Baguio Central University's sash is an honor. Let your journey be guided by humility, respect, and a desire to inspire others. Win or lose, your participation already contributes to our shared celebration of excellence and unity. To the organizing committee, faculty members, and supporters, thank you for your dedication and creativity in making this event possible. You continue to uphold the university's vision of nurturing holistic individuals who shine not only in academics but also in life. As we mark our 80th year, may this pageant remind us that BCU's beauty lies not only in its people, but in its purpose, to transform lives through education, compassion, and truth. We also extend our sincerest participation to our media partners from the Philippine Information Agency, Cordillera Administrative Region, for helping us share our stories and amplify the voice of the Baguio Central University community. Likewise, we convey our warm gratitude to the Commission on Higher Education for its continued guidance, partnership, and support to BCU's program and initiatives, especially in strengthening our academic and cultural pursuits. Thank you, and may we all continue to soar in excellence as one BCU family.